buzzing noise emanating from a main load breaker panel can stem from several underlying issues. While a defective breaker is a possible cause, it's crucial to investigate other potential culprits. Firstly, loose connections are a prime suspect. These can manifest at the breakers themselves, the main lugs where the service entrance conductors terminate, or the neutral bar where neutral conductors are bonded. Loose connections create resistance, leading to electrical arcing, which in turn generates a buzzing sound. Secondly, an overloaded circuit can cause the breaker to buzz. When a circuit draws more current than the breaker's rated capacity, the breaker heats up. This excessive heat can cause internal components to vibrate and produce a buzzing noise. Thirdly, a defective breaker itself can be the problem. Even if the breaker doesn't trip, internal damage or wear can cause it to buzz, especially when it's subjected to normal or slightly elevated current levels. Fourthly, a bad ground connection can introduce electrical interference, which can manifest as a buzzing noise. This can occur at the main ground bar where the grounding electrode conductor is connected, or at the individual branch circuit grounds throughout the electrical system. A loose or corroded ground connection compromises the grounding path, allowing stray currents to circulate and create interference. Fifthly, electromagnetic interference or EMI from external sources can induce a buzzing noise in the breaker panel. Nearby transformers, motors, or other electrical equipment can radiate electromagnetic fields that interact with the panel's components, causing them to vibrate. Sixthly, loose screws holding the panel cover in place can vibrate due to the magnetic fields produced by the current flowing through the conductors. This vibration can create a buzzing noise that seems to originate from within the panel. Seventhly, oversized wires connected to the breaker terminals can create a loose connection. While it might seem like using a larger wire is always better, if the wire is too large for the terminal's designed clamping range, it won't be secured properly. This loose connection, similar to the one mentioned earlier, can lead to arcing and buzzing. Eighthly, a loose breaker handle can vibrate and create a buzzing noise, especially when the breaker is carrying current. This is usually a minor issue, but it's worth checking to rule out more serious problems. Ninthly, loose bus bars within the panel can cause a buzzing noise. The bus bars are the conductive strips that distribute power from the main breaker to the individual branch circuit breakers. If these bus bars become loose due to vibration or corrosion, they can create a buzzing sound. Tenthly, even a defective circuit breaker that is not tripped can cause a buzzing noise. Internal components may be damaged or worn, leading to vibrations even under normal load conditions. It is important to turn off the breaker before touching anything inside the panel, or better yet, contact a qualified professional. When dealing with electrical panels, safety is paramount. Always energize the circuit or panel before attempting any troubleshooting or repairs. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's best to call a qualified electrician. They have the experience and tools to safely diagnose and repair electrical problems.